So one doubt. So for fixing one bug, for fixing developing one feature, each time they
Mm.
have to do this activity. Development team will do this activity.
Yeah, same. Every time they will create a branch and
Huh.
they will write the code and they will merge from that
Okay.
future branch to main branch.
Suppose 100, suppose 1,000 requirements they implemented, then all these 1,000 requirement they will uh, for
Yeah,
one.
yeah, in one feature, right? So one
Uh,
feature, or you
mm.
can create a number of branches.
Oh, I
Branches,
thought
once
only.
you done the merge, you can delete
Uh,
the branch, right?
okay.
Your code
Mm,
will be in the main.
mm, mm,
Why do you
mm.
need branch? I will show you how to delete the branch also.
Okay, okay, okay.
Okay.
Mm.
Yeah, now you understood. So I created the future branch. I'm adding a file. You can add here also, touch something like, but I'm adding here. You already know, right? How to create a touch, add, git commit to, right?
Yes, 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 yes.
I'm creating here.
Okay.
What is that file? The file name is mm, fixing.txt. Okay.
That is will come in the feature 1, 2, 3.
Future one to three. Okay.
Mm.
Now there is a file is created. It is showing in the version control system. Need to add it. So this file fixing.txt file is not recognized by the. You see in the last there is a untracked.
Mm.
See you're seeing right?
Mm. You, you,
Untracked. Okay.
you, right? Uh,
Uh, this is untracked. So you need to add it. How you can add it to
plus,
staging area git add plus.
plus.
Then you can give the commit message. What this is fixing bug. Okay,
Um, mm,
or future.
mm. Feature will add because that is feature branch.
New feature.
Mm.
Okay.
Mm.
So here I already told you that yesterday. Commit and push or just commit.
Commit means it
So
will be
here
in the.
you have a date.
Yeah.
Here you have a date. There is no future 1, 2, 3 branch in the remote, but you are pushing directly to the remote. So it will go to the main branch or feature branch.
Main branch. Feature branch is
Main
not there,
branch. Huh?
right? We didn't create any
Mm,
feature.
mm, mm, mm.
It will create maybe, right? Then.
Yes, it will create the feature branch and it will
Uh,
push you to the remote feature branch.
okay.
Okay,
Uh, uh, uh.
commit and push.
So remote we didn't create a feature 1, 2, 3 branch. So it will create a feature
Mm,
1, 2, 3 branch in remote. Okay.
mm,
Then total it will be become 5 plus 6, correct?
You see here?
Yes, yes, yes. Mm.
Mm,
Yes.
okay. Or else you can directly go to the code.
6 branches.
Okay. You see how many
6.
branches here now?
6.
Mm. Compare and pull request.
What is that?
Okay. Or else
Compare.
you can, yeah. So pull request. What is pull request?
Pull means push. Pull will bring back to.
Merge request. Merge. Pull is nothing but a merge. So once you create the future branch, it will automatically create in the remote repository feature 1, 2, 3.
Mm,
Okay.
mm, mm,
Now you want to create a pull request or a merge request to the development branch. Whatever the
mm,
code is there in the future branch.
mm,
Okay. Go to the
means
pull request. Pull is
means
nothing but a merge request.
we are adding this to development now.
Yes, very good.
Mm.
Development, development ఏంటి? Development branch, right?
Development branch. Yes, yes, development branch.
Future branch to
Development branch. No
new
pull
pull request. So here compare main, base, main. So if you take this compare pull request,
Mm,
it automatically taking the source and the destination. So compare is nothing but it is coming from here to here. So you want to go to from feature 1 to 3 main or feature 1 to 3 to deployment development.
Development.
Yes. So you are pulling or you are pushing the code or you are pushing the code from future 1 to you are merging the code. So you are merging the code from future 1 to 3 to environment development branch. Okay.
Oh, mhm.
Now here.
Create pull request.
Hmm.
So these we can do without Git commands, right?
This is from remote, right?
Okay.
This is not in local. This is not in local. We are doing a pull
In
request from your remote future to remote development.
okay, okay.
Here, so who is the reviewer? Who is the assignee? Who is your assignee? So mine. Assignee is mine. Okay. Reviewer is our lead or something like whatever, whoever, manager. Okay. So if you give the reviewer, once they will have the merge
So how
approval
these
access.
reviewers names will come, Hari?
So in our company, right? So many people are adding in this repository. This is our project, and this is the repository. In this repository, in this project, people are added, right? So it will
Hmm.
automatically show it.
Okay. We'll
Okay,
choose from there.
or else you can
Hmm.
up to 15 reviews. Okay,
Hmm.
here. So merge pull request, confirm merge, or else either your reviewer will review the code and modify. I will show you the next time. Now you created the merge request and merged the merge request. Now the data, whatever the data you created in the future 1, 2, 3, it merged in the environment development environment. Okay.
Okay.
Now go to code, main branch. There is no fixing.txt.
Main
Okay.
branch not there. Yes.
Hmm. You see development branch. Is it there?
Yes. Yes.
Yes, right. Now what
Hmm.
you will do? Again go to pull request, new pull request
It means
from
like development.
development to
Yeah, development be testing completed. Now we need to move
hmm.
to this one. What is that? QA. QA.
Yes, yes, yes. So how we can go to the QA? First, you need to send it to the main environment. Okay. Create a pull request. Test here. Create a pull request. Pull request is in open state. Okay. Okay. So if you go to the click the pull request, so you see how many open, how many closed. How many open, how many closed.
Uh,
One.
One closed.
Hmm.
That
Opened, one closed.
this is for
Yes, right.
QA. Next
Uh,
branch.
QA. So one open, right? Click on open. You see, it is going from development branch to main branch. Okay, it is merging from development branch to main branch. Okay, the code will be in the development branch. So reviewer assigning myself. So here
So
file changed, right? One file.
real time some code only will go right here and there. So how
Yes, 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 yes.
when this
So in
reviewer
the
and yeah, when this reviewer and all opens this one,
mm,
it will open in the ID. How these things and all will happen? URL, what? How this?
I didn't get you.
Like all these requirements.
Developer push that code to development environment only.
Mm, 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 mm,
Okay.
mm.
So this want to push the code from development environment to main, development environment to QA, development environment to production.
Okay.
So this development environment to main having some people have the access, review the access, and that production having some people review the access and approve the request, and QA
Mhm.
some people have the access to merge the code, right?
Okay, okay. So,
Understood? So
yeah, yeah.
here, so for example, developer. So for example, you guys remember I forgot to add the reviewer comments in the closed one. Okay, but here I'm creating the reviewer comments in the change. I don't want these change, or else I will show you one thing. Mm, yeah, again I'm creating another file. Okay, bug.txt. You see, guys?
So
Yeah,
instead of
if you
this
click
one
here,
of
version.
real time, it will be dot Java or dot code, right?
Dot Java or what? Yes, dot Python or whatever it is. I
Okay,
showed you right
okay.
yesterday. Whatever the code you write it,
Hmm, 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 hmm.
bug commit, sync changes. It will push you to the from local branch 123 to feature branch 123. Okay. If you go to the pull request, one open, one closed. Okay. New pull request. From future 123 to development branch.
So
Okay. This is the developer created the pushed the code from feature 123 to environment again. Okay. So create a pull request. Create a pull request. Who will review that code?
that name we
Reviewer.
mm,
Okay.
name.
Mm. So if you click the files changed, so for example, I am the reviewer of you,
Mm,
Prazit.
mm, mm,
Okay.
mm,
So whatever you write, right? I want to leave a comment. Please write the provider function instead of empty. Okay.
mm, mm,
Reviewer, write the comments.
mm,
Okay. Here you see, if you go to the file, comments, not there. Anything is not there only. Okay. What is that file? Still not merged the file, right?
mm, mm,
You can write it anything. This is the bug mm, provider AWS AML API equal to something instance type equal to okay. This is the
mm,
code I'm modifying in the this file. Again, I'm adding to AML ID some changes. Okay. Okay, now check it here. Refresh. Yeah, it's added,
Okay.
right?
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Real.
So I want to review the changes. Means, so here instance type is right. Please change the instance type
So review means
from
the reviewer go through the code only. He won't execute.
micro. I won't execute.
Okay. Okay.
T2 medium.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Okay. So if you click this right, you can see it. Go to the pull request and open to right. It is the environment. If you go to the change, shape files changed.
So if you
Yeah.
want to execute the code means he has to do this one in the push. What is that? Clone to this is git and like that he has to do, right?
Yes. 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 Go to the pull request. Open is, but this is the one, right? Once you go to the file, you see, reviewer is asking here. Please change the instance type from T2 macro to T3 menu. Understood? Again,
Mm-hmm.
what you can do, you can go to the code and change the whatever the modifications you want. You change it T2 medium. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So again, you will go to here, add
And message
T3
commit
medium commit sync changes.
pushing.
So when you will push until merge the MR, you will push the code. Okay. If the MR is merged, you will not push the code to the that future branch because of its merged. It's merged to the branch. Okay.
Oh,
Now refresh it. You see, change it up. So again, review that and submit the review. Resolve the conversation. Okay. So that is resolved. The conversation is letters and then the file is looks good. And reviewer will merge your code. Understood?